Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I hope everything is fine today. I am really happy that you are here now. Today, I want to share something very important. It is important for your English journey. It is simple, it is powerful, and it changed my speaking forever. I believe it can change your speaking too. Today's topic is train your mouth to talk. Yes, you heard it right. If you want smooth English, you must train your mouth. You must train your tongue. You must train your lips. You must train your muscles. It is just like exercise. If you stop practicing, your mouth becomes slow again. Why is this important? Many learners make one big mistake. They study English, they read English, they listen to English, but they do not train their mouth. Their mouth stays silent. A silent mouth cannot learn. A silent mouth cannot grow. It is like learning swimming without water. It never works. You must try. You must speak. You must move your mouth. You must push yourself a little every day. Your mouth must feel English sounds. It must move automatically. It must speak without fear. It must speak without thinking. It must speak without translating. This is how real fluency begins. My personal story. When I started, I was very slow. I knew many words, but I could not speak. I thought before every sentence. My mouth was not trained. I felt stuck. I felt nervous every time I spoke. One day, a mentor told me something. He said, "Your mouth is like a machine. If you don't use it, it becomes rusty." These words changed me. I realized I needed more speaking practice. I started practicing, not silently, not only in my mind. I practiced with my mouth. I spoke out loud, every day, even if no one was around me. Slowly, words became easy. Sentences became fast. My mouth learned the rhythm of English. I started feeling comfortable. I felt more confident each week. Step 1. Repeat simple sentences. Every morning, repeat simple sentences. I can speak English. I am improving every day. My English is getting better. I speak clearly. I speak confidently. My mouth loves English. I enjoy learning new words. These lines are small, but they help your mouth move smoothly. Repetition builds strong speaking habits. Step 2. Describe what you are doing. This method helped me a lot. Describe your actions in English. I am walking. I am cooking. I am opening the window. I am cleaning my room. I am drinking water. I am sitting down. I am checking my phone. I am closing the door. When you do this daily, your mouth becomes active. You speak naturally. You stop translating. Your sentences become faster and clearer. Step 3. Shadowing. Shadowing means copying someone's speech. Play an English video. Listen to the person. Speak with them. Match their speed. Match their tone. Match their energy. Pretend you are the speaker. Feel their rhythm and flow.
This is mouth gym. It is hard at first, but the results are great. Step 4. Speak even when wrong. This step is very important. Most learners stay silent. They fear mistakes. But silence does not help. Mistakes help. You learn from every mistake. Your mouth learns new movements. Speak even with wrong grammar. Speak even if it is not perfect. Practice makes it better. Confidence comes from speaking. Step 5. Practice tongue flexibility. English uses different mouth muscles. Practice simple sounds. Food, meal, fish, rice. These sounds train your tongue. Your speaking becomes smoother. Your mouth becomes faster. Remember this. You cannot speak English only by thinking. You cannot speak English only by studying. You speak English by speaking English. Train your mouth. Train your tongue. Train your muscles. Slowly, speaking becomes natural. Speaking becomes automatic. Speaking becomes effortless. Final motivation. Before I end, I want to say something. Your English will improve. Your speaking will become smooth. You just need consistency. 5 minutes a day is enough, but do it every day. One day, you will speak automatically. You will feel proud. And you will say, "Yes, I trained my mouth. I trained my mind. I trained my confidence." Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep practicing every single day. Keep smiling, no matter what challenges you face. Keep speaking English with confidence. Take small steps every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Celebrate your little wins. Stay consistent and keep going. I truly believe in you and your journey. See you again in the next video.